how to add scrolling in Figma. So first, open up Figma and then just look at your design. So next is make sure to click on the frame itself on your design, like so. Then let's just change the dimensions. For example, we're making a website, right? So let's just change it to 1920, then 1080. Okay, and then so for in your case, I'm pretty sure what you're going to see is something like this. The frame is cut off. These things are cut off. It won't show any of this, and it'll only show what's inside this frame, right? So if you want to show everything here while scrolling, you can just click on the frame itself, then click on clip content here, and then go to prototype, and then make sure to click on vertical here. Okay, look for scroll behavior and then just check vertical, and then if you can see, let's just check if it works. Okay, now let's try scrolling. Okay, and there is it. There you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.